Yes, it is possible to make $100 a day with affiliate marketing, and many affiliate marketers achieve this level of income or even higher. However, it's important to note that success in affiliate marketing is not guaranteed, and individual results may vary based on various factors. But first, click on the link in the description or scan the QR code to take advantage of the Make More Money Academy's free advanced affiliate marketing training on how to build a highly profitable affiliate money hub like NerdWallet, Expedia, Travelocity, Bankrate, and others in 7 days or less. Here are key considerations for reaching a $100 per day affiliate marketing goal. Niche selection is key to achieving this milestone. Choosing a profitable niche is crucial. Opt for a niche with products or services that have high demand and commission rates. Researching and understanding your target audience's needs can guide you in selecting a niche with earning potential. Product selection also plays an important role in affiliate marketing success. Promoting high-converting and high-paying affiliate products is essential. Look for products that align with your niche and offer competitive commission rates. Products with recurring commissions can contribute to consistent income over time. Quality content creation is a must in building lasting relationships with your audience. Creating high-quality and valuable content is key to attracting and retaining an audience. Whether through blog posts, videos, or other formats, engaging content helps build trust with your audience and encourages them to click on your affiliate links. Learning the basics of search engine optimization or SEO and traffic generation is also essential. Implementing effective SEO strategies can increase the visibility of your content on search engines, driving organic traffic to your affiliate links. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other channels to diversify your traffic sources. Measuring conversion optimization and tracking your results on various platforms is a skill that will increase profits. Focus on optimizing your conversion rate. This involves crafting compelling call to actions, testing different strategies, and analyzing the performance of your affiliate links. A higher conversion rate means more earnings for the same amount of traffic. As you see success, consider scaling your efforts. This could involve creating more content, exploring additional traffic sources, and expanding into related products or services. Scaling allows you to increase your income potential. Consistency and patience is a virtue. Affiliate marketing success often requires consistency and patience. It may take time to build an audience, gain authority in your niche, and see substantial income. Stay committed to your strategy and continuously refine your approach. It's important to approach affiliate marketing with realistic expectations. While some individuals may achieve $100 a day relatively quickly, others may take more time to reach this goal. Additionally, income levels can fluctuate based on market trends, seasonality, and other factors. Continuous learning, adapting to changes in the digital landscape, and staying informed about industry trends are crucial for sustained success in affiliate marketing. If you're dedicated, strategic, and willing to invest time and effort, reaching a $100 per day income is an attainable goal for many affiliate marketers. Don't forget to click on the link in the description or scan the QR code to take advantage of the Make More Money Academy's free advanced affiliate marketing training. Discover how to build a highly profitable affiliate money hub like NerdWallet, Expedia, Travelocity, Bankrate, and others in 7 days or less. Guaranteed. Thanks for watching.